Hello, assalamu alaikum. If you want to check your IQ level, so I will help you see this video till end. What is half of 2 plus 2? Three. People buy me to eat but never eat me. What is it? A plate. What 5-letter word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters to it? Short. You see me once in June, twice in November, and not at all in May. The letter E. I shoot but never kill. What am I? A camera. I'm a delicious way of representing data. What am I? Pie chart. I get smaller every time I take a bath. What am I? A bar of soap. John's father has 3 sons, Tom, Paul, and John. Jenny has 5 daughters and each of her daughter has a brother. How many children does Jan have? 6. Each daughter has the same brother. I am a bird, I am a fruit, and I am a person. What am I? Kiwi. Kiwi, a person from New Zealand. A New Zealand bird with a long beak, short wings, and no tail. A small fruit with thin brown